Hey meal preppers, hey Paul coming at you here, Amy behind the camera. Welcome to another week of amazing recipes. And just to give you guys a heads up, I did put our 6 baby steps to prep guide in the app. So if you go to the start here section, you'll see the guide down there. You can download the PDF. It opens up right in your phone. You can see all the great steps. Has 12 free recipes in there as well if you are not a subscriber, so you can get those. But right this week, yes, we got a lot of great colors. No real agenda except for here. I just wanted something simple by the end because got 2 new dishes I was trying out. Here is a pineapple and cashew sweet chicken stir fry here. It is amazing to make. The smells that come from this, especially when the cashews are roasting, is amazing. But it's a Thai sauce, Thai chili paste with some tamari and honey. Let it thicken up with the chicken. The chicken has got red and yellow bell peppers, pineapple, of course, cashews. And we served it over jasmine rice, topped it with a blend actually of basil and cilantro, sesame seeds, and then we put some spinach on the side that'll wilt down when you cook it up.
Because we forgot to buy a veggie to go with this. And that's okay, but we bought spinach for salads, so we cut it up and we put some carrots on top of it, and we'll put a little salt on it, and then when we microwave, it'll steam it a little bit, and
it'll be a great addition.
Odd, but getting our veggies in.
Definitely get your veggies on this next one. This is a veggie dish. So this is a Hoisin, cauliflower, and coconut over rice noodles. So the rice noodles are actually mixed with some coconut milk, salt and pepper, and some onions. Yum. And then we mixed the cauliflower with some Hoisin sauce and roasted that along with the Brussels sprouts. And that's it. It's on top of the noodles, garnished there with little green onions, which Amy's favorite.
Yeah, they give me a little bit of heartburn, but you know, whatever.
But an all veggie dish, gonna be nice and sweet, especially with the coconut noodles down below.
Yes.
Great dish. Over here is one we've made before. This is a comfort dish. We were gonna do ground bison, but the store was out. So we've got some ground beef instead. It's a 97.7 as far as the fat.
97.3?
97.
93.
93.7. There you go.
Can't
Lean to fat. I'm just talking. But it is ground beef, and it's got zucchini, red pepper, and we got some yellow pepper in there too.
Yellow pepper, green pepper, and tomatoes.
Yep. Oh, you got green in there too, and then tomatoes.
Yeah.
And then it's just spiced with fresh spices. You did basil.
I did salt, pepper, garlic. And then the only thing I added beyond that was a handful of fresh chopped mint. And not mint. No, we didn't have mint. Okay. Cilantro and basil, same as what we used over here. No fancy spices to add while you're cooking, just
but a good clean dish to make.
It's so good.
Get your protein and veggies, and then we decided I wanted some sweet potatoes. So we had some medallions here that were just roasted with paprika. And you didn't do the coconut.
No, I did avocado
oil. So you just roast that up, layer it all up, and then guys, you got some great colors here. Makes you feel like you're doing something right.
Yep.
And beautiful dishes, guys. Let us know what you like. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Again, reach out to us, comment on any posts that we have, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.